What's the meaning of acuteness? Acuteness. 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 Acuteness refers to the quality of being sharp or keen. It can be used to describe various aspects of a situation or an individual, such as their perception, understanding, or ability to discern. When someone possesses acuteness in their observations or analysis, they are able to quickly identify and accurately assess the relevant details of a situation. This skill can be particularly valuable in fields such as medicine, research, or critical thinking, where precise and timely decision-making is essential. In short, acuteness represents a heightened level of awareness or sensitivity, which can enable more effective problem-solving and decision-making.